I wanted to do a review on our new canopy that we got over the summer. I love this thing. It is so strong and beefy. I don't think we'll ever have to get a new one. I like how the top is the steel and it's fade resistant, so it should last forever. But that's not the best point. The best point about it is, come over here and I'll show you. The best part of this is it's very easy. If you need shade, all you do is undo this little strap, and it has 2 tracks up here. So if you want just the netting, you can slide the netting across, and in the middle, you just zip it up to the other one that comes and meets at the middle way. Or if you want total shade, you just roll it on that track. So it's very, very practical. And then when you don't need it anymore, this strap is already sewn on, so you just wrap it around with Velcro and attach it again. So it's super simple. And this year, I haven't done everything I want to do to it. It does come with 2 J hooks and 1 U hook. So I think next year I will get like maybe a fan in the middle or maybe just a couple of lights. I haven't decided yet. But if you really want a strong, heavy-duty pergola, canopy, whatever you call it, this one has worked out so well for us. We absolutely love it.